What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. On today's video, we're going to be installing some DRLs on the Nismo. I got the kit delivered yesterday. There's some wires and I guess screws and yeah. This is everything. Don't get scared because of all the wires, because we're literally only going to be using like 2 of the wires. Yeah, these are it. They look pretty nice. These were I bought these on Amazon for like I think it was like $110. So yeah, guys, this is all you pretty much need. Some electrical tape to get the stock reflectors off. I got a ratchet just so I can remove the undershroud, or you could use an impact, you know, quicker. So I already got the car in there. I'm gonna start on I'm gonna do the driver's side real quick, just because I know the passenger side is gonna be a little uncomfortable because of the washer fluid tank. I mean the windshield tank. So I mean, I'm gonna have to take the bumper off regardless, so whatever. I'm gonna take the bumper off first. So yeah, I'm gonna time lapse that. All right, guys, I got the bumper off. Pretty easy. It took me about like 5 minutes. Okay, so there's 2 ways you could do this. So let me show you guys. All right. So you see, guys, you see this white wire right here? If you were to wire it up with the white wire, which goes on which will mean you will be tapping into the DRL. That means the DRLs will only turn on when you turn your first click of lights, which turns on the little DRL right here in the corner and the little lights in the corner right here. It doesn't turn on the full headlight. So that's if you do it this way with the white wire. This is the only reason you'll be using this one. Or if you use this red long one right here, you can tap into a fuse, like put this in the fuse. I'm not sure how people do that. I'm guessing they just make this a little bit longer. I just put it in and put it with the fuse. And what that would do is the DRLs will always be on without turning the headlights on at all. You guys know what I mean? So like if you were just to give the key 1 spin, the lights will be on already. They will be on at all times. So I haven't done it that way. The way I did on my red Nismo was by using the white wire. I'm not sure yet if I want to use the red wire and do it like that, because that will mean I will have to see. I was looking at videos yesterday, and okay, well, I will have to remove all of this and the IPDM box right here. You tap into a 10 fuse that's in there, that's all the way in the bottom. So, but that will mean that the wires will be running, they'll be showing in the engine bay. So you know what, I probably won't do it that way. Yeah, I won't do it that way. Maybe in the future, if I want to change it. All right, guys, let's get to it. I'm gonna set it up, and yeah. All right, guys, so my bad. So you are gonna be using the red wire right here. I'm gonna use it to tap into the green and white wire right here, which is this little light right here that's in the corner. You know, that turns on when you do the little first set with the headlights. So I'm gonna tap that into that. The yellow one is gonna be tapped into the turn signal, which is gonna be this right here. This green and black wire, I'm gonna tap into right there. And then your ground, I'm gonna use this little the same spot I used for the red Nismo right here. So yeah, this is gonna be my ground, those two wires, and the white wire you won't use, I guess. That's about it. On the other side, all you have to do is wire in the turn signal. And yeah, that's it, guys. Pretty easy. Let me show you guys how I'm gonna tap into this. All right, guys, so this is what I did right here. The green and white wire, just cut it, pull it back, and what I do is just, you know, make a little hole like that, separate the wires, and then I'll put the red wire just in through that hole, wrap it around, and that's pretty much it. So once I do that, I'm gonna connect my my ground and just test it, just to make sure it's working. Let's do that, boys. All right, guys, moment of truth. Ground is right there. Right wire is connected, plugged in. Let's see what's up. Hopefully I did this right. Yes, sir. There you go, guys. DRL. So all you have to do now is wire in the yellow wire to the turn signal, and you're done in this side. Put everything away, and then the other side, all you have to do is wire in the yellow one. So I'm gonna just show you guys on this side and then just finish and show you guys the finished product. And yeah, guys. All right, guys, so I got the amber tapped into the turn signal, which is the red and black wire. Let's test it out. This door handle's giving out on me. Yes, sir. There you go. Turn signals are working. Pretty easy to do, guys. Just tapping into those wires. If you could solder it, that'll be better. Just, you know, it's more secure. But I'm gonna just leave it like that, and I'm gonna put some electrical tape on, and that's about it. Just do the other side, and the next clip will be with the bumper back on and everything. So yeah, guys. Alright, guys, so there you guys have it. Lights are on. They're not hard to do. I'm not gonna end the video here. I'm gonna wait until it is like close to nighttime so you guys can see how bright they are. Like in daytime right now, you're not really gonna notice unless you're in person. Like in person, they look pretty bright right now, but you can't really notice right now. Here's the turn signal working. I love how it looks, especially on a Nismo bumper. And it just looks modern, you know. So what I need to do is get those headlights cleared. They don't look that bad, but they could use a little clear. So yeah, guys, the next clip will be at nighttime, and I'll end the video there. So it's early right now. It's like 10 in the morning. I'm gonna have to wait till like way later. So yeah, guys. All right, guys, so here you guys have it at nighttime. You can see they're pretty damn bright. It looks so good at night. And you know, it just makes it look modern. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy. I'm gonna put like a little cinematic clip I just took at the gas station. It looks clean, so whatever. Dirty but clean. But yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. And remember, don't forget to subscribe.